Roger!
The wonderful 101!
Now that's what I like to see. Our gal's still safe.
Under beating heart, the super reactor.
So, you're the vermin that's been scurrying about, nipping at our heels!
Who's there? Show yourself!
A handful of color-coded misfits wants to topple the combined might of our entire army? How droll! Your death awaits in the appendages of the magnificent Wada! Officer 5th Class of the mighty Death Jerk!
Buzz off, Bugface! Or stick around and find out what a real sting feels like. The Valiantium way.
Ah, Blue! A variation on a theme. I approve.
Stick a croissant in it.
It's you who will feel the sting, Earthlings!
Bring it.
OMG! What is that?
That is Daija, my flagship, whose main laser cannon, incidentally, is set to vaporize you and your beloved statue in the matter of moments!
Hey, where are you going? Take me to your leader!
Dudes, they're getting away! Another one? You kidding me?
Blue, wait! Unite, hand! Team, brace for impact. We're ramming the
Are you out of your mind?
Préfère Wonder Rouge. Catching a ride on a missile is not my idea of a good idea.
Ah! Seriously, I am going to need a total makeover after this.
I didn't think you had it in you, Red.
But where is this place?
Then we're just gonna have to shove this missile down this jerk's throat ourselves!
Team, unite up!
Roger!
You insufferable pests! Vermin! Insects! This is the last time you meddle in the affairs of the Death Jerk Federation Suprema Mela!
What are you gonna do, ugly? Shake your broken laser cannon at us?
Hey, you! Alien! You listen to me for 5 whole seconds and want to see your leader! Don't you speak English? Ugh, better stay back and let the pros handle this one!
This is your first and only warning, Invader. Surrender your arms or you force us to use force.
You don't know the meaning of the word! Allow me to demonstrate! The time for games is over. The time for feeding on Earthlings has begun.
Wonder Jump! Wonderful 100. Diplomacy fails again. Team, engaging unlimited form. Team, unite up!
Roger. catchphrase time. Let's hear it.
What? We have no such catchphrase in my country. Нет, I have nothing.
This ends now, Orleans. Say goodbye to your precious statue. Charge!
What?
Dude, that is so not happening.
The Earth will soon be ours. Distant forever! Our reign is eternal. What?
Stratoport just disappeared, guys.
Woo-wee! Now that's what you call old-fashioned Southern ingenuity. Or in slightly more technical terms, a subspace stealth circuit.
Professor Shirogane, is that you?
Here's Tootin'. The port is safe and sound. I tucked her away in subspace. It's the ultimate defense. After all, you can't hit something that ain't there.
Gramps, you've been holding out on us.
Hey, what if you had swooned in your old age before spiriting our station away?
Oh, kid, I've been busting my behind just to finish this thing. I told you she was popping hot fresh out of the lab. Just finished her up yesterday.
You have earned my wrath, Vernon. Who dares defy the mighty Wanna?
Tell him, Yellow. Come on, front and center.
We do not announce ourselves in my country. I am unprepared. I have still not made catchphrase.
Well, you missed your chance, comrade. There he goes.
Wonderful 100. Do you copy? The enemy fleet has been destroyed, and remaining bogies have bugged out. Excellent work today, team. Get back to the Virgin Victory and treat yourself to a nice hot shower.
And a double scoop strawberry shake. Do not forget the shake.
And there's that baggage that needs returning to sender. Right, kiddo?
Hey, I'm not baggage. I have a name. L-U-K-A Luca.
And Luca stands for ankle biter.
Operation 003 complete. Flight path clear. Virgin Victory now proceeding to recover Professor Shirogane. Red, return to ship through hatch number 3.
Roger. Team, back to the bridge.
Roger.
Could have been better.